Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low QS in the Argon colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about what was once a Japan only exclusive, the Argon Nike Dunk Lows, and these are known as a QS, which is short for quick strike, so pretty limited. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really fun two-tone colorway. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So once again, this, when it was in its original release date, was only something that you could have copped in Japan since it was exclusive to that region. Really just cool to see this brought back in its pretty much original form. We've got the two-tone blue colorway, a lighter sky blue and a nice royal blue on the upper, simple white laces, a nice royal blue tone for that nylon tongue, and then the light blue hits the Nike and swoosh mark on top of white. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side paneling, more underlays of that royal blue. We've got a nice hit of white for the Nike swoosh mark. Nice light baby blue stitching on the outside of that swoosh mark, as well as overlays of the light sky blue. On the way to the back, we've got Nike and royal blue, underlays of white leather, and then circulating to the lateral side, again, more white on that Nike swoosh, as well as the same underlays of that royal blue and overlays of that light sky blue. So we work our way into the interior of the sneaker. On the collar, you'll see that we've got more of that sky blue tone, as well as sky blue for the insole, which is actually a kind of towel-like feeling. So this is actually a higher quality insole, it looks like. And then we've got Nike and the swoosh mark in that royal blue tone. The sneaker is then completed with a white midsole and a light blue for the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. So if you do have higher narrow feet like myself, stick true to size on this one. But if you do have lighter, wider feet, that could differentiate something that works completely opposite from my own. So do take that into consideration when you're thinking about sizing. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I really do love this pop of blue. I feel like royal blue is definitely something that's working its way into the fall, which is kind of a colorway I feel like hasn't really transitioned as much into the fall winter season. So I'm happy to see that it's very trendy. For the first look, I decided to wear just a nice blue button down top. Underneath, I wore just a nice white tee, and I wore just a cute little beige mini skirt. And then for the second look, I decided to just dress it up a little bit with a jeweled top. It had some multicolored jewels and some bluish tone jewels that I feel like matched this perfectly. And then I paired that with some nice light straight-legged denim that was distressed. And then for the last and final look, switched it up a bit with a denim jacket, my Fear of God denim jacket. And then for the pants, I wore kind of this grayish, purplish color scheme. I definitely feel like you can incorporate this blue with other nice, vibrant pops of color. It doesn't have to just be blue, which is great, just because I think that the two-tone colors they used are very easy to coordinate with different options. So you let me know down below, what's your favorite look of the career? How would you style these? How these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $130, which is a steep price point for dunks. Again, this is a QS version, which means that it is a quick strike or basically a more limited drop. So that is why we price these a little bit on the higher end. As far as resale goes, they're going around that retail price point of $130 to $170, depending on your size. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.